Yes, so we can.
Okay. So today I'm sharing my screen, but tomorrow onwards, you people need to share.
Sir, I have 3 doubts. So
Okay.
shall I ask that now or later?
At the end of the session, you can ask. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Or else, so many important concepts are there that we need to discuss. Anyhow, you can ask me after the end of the session. I will compare both. Okay, accounts payables and receivables. I will compare both. So I don't take much time only for accounts receivable. After that, I will start accounts payables like that. So initially, what I do, just I will post vendor invoice, and after that, I will post customer invoice. After that, I will do cash discounts for vendor, and after that, for customer. After that, down payment. After that, customer. So like that, I will compare both. Okay. So then it should be very easier to understand the concept. Accounts receivables. You guys know very well for accounts payable configuration how to do. So here also same concept, there is nothing different. Okay, so initially we need to define customer account groups. Define number ranges, assign assignment of number ranges to customer account group. Then customer reconciliation account, creation of reconciliation. Then customer creation. Customer creation is called as extension. Extension, vendor extension, like that. Customer extension. Extension means creation. Okay. Customer invoice posting, and then we just go to reports, right? So reports, customer open item, okay, paid item, all item. Then okay, after this, after reports, then customer balances, customer balances, then financial statements, then tables, customer tables, customer tables, customer master data tables, okay, vendor master tables, open item tables. Okay, same configuration, same thing. Okay, there is nothing difference. Okay, whatever the configurations you have done in accounts payable, the same configuration again you are doing. That's it. Nothing difference. Okay. So I just open up my screen. Just okay, just continue. See, first configuration is you need to define customer account groups. Okay, what is the T code? OBD2. For a vendor, it's a OBD3. Okay, number ranges. Number range T code is XD01. Okay, assignment T code I need to check. Reconciliation FS00. Okay, customer extension creation XD01 creation, XD02 for change, XD03 for display. Customer invoice FB70, Okay, FB70, F-22, F-02, or just post the FB0 sample document as well. For this, okay, customer balances FD10N. Financial statement F.01. I will explain all these tables. Tables are LFA1 for vendor master general data. It is vendor master general data. This is FB1 vendor master company code data. LF, this is KNA1 customer master general data. K1B1 customer master company code data. Okay. BSIK. BSIK. Vendor master open item table. Vendor open item table. BSAD, BSID, customer master, customer open item table. Okay. So these are all stuff I'm going to explain right now. Okay. Now go to SAP. So first configuration is account groups. Account groups are, tell me some of the account groups. Domestic customer account group, international customer account group, one-time customer account group, sold to party, ship to party, bill to party. So many customer account groups will be there. So this data will be given by our client. Okay. So how many customer groups are there? All the data will be supplied by your client only. So those things you just configure. Okay. So here just go to OBD2. Okay. OBD2. I think it's locked already. Okay, so for log SM21, just remove this, go to list and select all, delete. Okay, again go to OBD2, OBD2, okay, go to new entries, create customer account group. So what is the customer account group? What is my T code? TA, domestic customer, DC, okay, domestic customer, so domestic customer. So it is one time, then select this. Okay. So these are all information, general data, company code data, sales data. So if you create a customer master, so this kind of data we need to give. Like in vendor master, what are the data we have? General data, company code data, purchasing organization. But in case of customer master, general data, company code data, and sales data will be there. What you can do, just go to company code data and go to account management. So make this required entry. Reconciliation account should be required and save it. That's it. So you created one customer account group. If you want to create so international customer account group, then so take first 2-digit letter of your company code, then international customer IC. Okay. International customer. Go to company code data, account management, required entries set. Okay. And then again go to new entries. So one time TA, one time voting. Say one time vendor. For one time need to set. This is mandatory for one time accounts. Go to company code data, account management, required entry, and save it. Okay, all these general data, okay, and company code data, these are all things, like these are all fields will be there in the customer master. you are controlling the customer master from account groups only. Okay, so master data will be controlled from account groups. Even for GL master, where you are controlling OBD4. Okay, this is master data. This is account group for GL accounts, right? So here for customer accounts, we are controlling from customer account groups only. Okay. Once you create the customer account group, then you need to define the number ranges. I cannot say only 3 number ranges will be there in the real time. Okay. So you are just creating right now 3 customer account groups, but I can't say only 3 customer account groups will be there. Just read out all for your reference. Okay, just read out all for your reference. So these are all reference customer also created, groups also created. Just read out while doing any configuration. First read out the customer account group so that you people get some business knowledge at least. Okay. So now what is the second configuration that I need to perform? XD01. Okay. Just go to XD01. Okay. So not XD01. It's XDN1. So wrongly given XDN1. Okay. Now XDN1. So go to intervals. Already number ranges has been created. Okay. 10,000. So number range has been created. I don't know which number I need to take because it's already created. Some of the number ranges are external. Some of the number ranges are internal. For internal number range, so system will generate the number. Okay. But external number ranges, for system we need to give the number at the time of creation of customer master. We need to give the number from this area to this, then customer should be created. So for internal number ranges are automatic, there is no need to create. Okay. So now, so I just check it out. Intervals, any free number ranges are there or not in my system. I think there is no free number ranges. So I need to create a new number range, but so I don't want to create again. So you just take 02, 03, 07. So this is for domestic customer number range, and this you can assume this is international. This is for one-time vendor, one-time customer. Okay, so almost is 2 configuration done. So I need to check what is the assignment of number range to customer account group. What is the T code? OBAS. OBAS or not, just need, let me check. So this is for vendor. What is the T code for number range, assignment of number range? I'm just checking in Google, taking help. Okay. Just T code, right? If you don't have it, at least you can go to path also. OBAR. Okay, this is the T code. Now you just try out OBR. Okay, see, this is assignment, right? So I created three customers, TA and star. Okay, so first 2-digit letters are my company code, and after that give star. Click OK. Okay, and just take 02. So what is the number range that we created? It's already created. Okay, I need to check the number range once again. XD01. Okay. Level 237. Okay, 237. Put 237. Okay, so he created number ranges and assignment also. Okay, after that you need to create the reconciliation account. Reconciliation, customer reconciliation. Okay, customer comes under the current asset or current liability. Customers comes under the current asset only. Okay, vendor comes under the current liability. So just go to FS00. Okay, and current liability, it comes under the current asset, right? So I need to create one customer account is already created. See, I created customer account already. Anyhow, for the demo perspective, I'm creating new customer account. I'm just copying this. Okay, so copy. So here which number we need to give? Available number is 200 108. 200 108. Click OK. Okay, so at the time of creation of customer recon account, so then you can take it as a domestic recon account. Okay, domestic domestic recon account. Okay, then go to control data. Only balance in a local currency we should not select for the this kind of reconciliation accounts. So select this option. You people need to select this option for recon accounts. So how many recon accounts are there in SAP? Assets, customers, vendors, and contract accounts receivables. See, if you are posting any kind of transaction with vendors, customers, so it should be stored through GL account, right? So it will be saved to the GL account. So we can track the reports based on the GL accounts, right? So this is a customer recon account. This should be linked with customer master data. Yesterday's session we created vendor recon account, and that vendor recon account is linked with vendor master data. So once you post any kind of vendor related transaction, it should be tracked through vendor recon account. So like that, here if you are posting any kind of transaction through customer, so it should be tracked through customer only. Okay, and create bank interest G067. Okay, so G067 for recon account. In customer master data, you just come down in item display, and here the customer number has been taken out, right? So just to check it out at the time of creation. So what is this sort key, where it should be impact? So I will tell you today. Okay, so why we are taking this sort key? What is sort key? Okay, I will tell you. Save it. So like that you can create, okay, international customer, one-time customer, just copy and save. If it is required, you can create multiple customer account groups, customer recon accounts, and just you need to change the this one only. Just change the description. That's it. Nothing else. Just save it. Okay, like that you can create a number of GL accounts. Okay, so what is next? So we created customer account group, number ranges, assignment. Okay, customer extension. Customer extension is nothing but customer creation. Okay, for creation of customer, what is the D code? XD01, right? So XD01. So this is customer account group. You just select. So give your customer account group. Okay, what is your customer account group? Tell me. What is the customer TA, DA, DC, domestic customer? Select this. So here it's coming, right? Double click on this. So you given custom domestic customer account group. So don't give the number. Okay, number will generate automatically. If you select external number range, then you need to give the number here. You can give your own number, but we are not taking any external number. Okay, so give the company code. Just click OK. Okay, so you can take the customer is also your company. So and customer is also you can take it any Mr. and Mrs. anything you can take it. So I'm taking customer is also sometimes companies, right? So companies requesting some service from us. Okay, so that company name is you can take TCS. Okay, street. These are all mandatory steps in real time. Okay, so because if you are not giving these things, system will throw an error at the time of payment runs. Automatic payment program. This is one of the important area in real time for clearing perspective. Reporting errors will come if you are not giving these details. So all time you need to give correct information. The demo perspective, I'm just taking normal. Okay, but in real time, so you guys need to take correct number. Okay. and this postal code and all. So take the correct postal code and postal code. You need to give all the telephone packs, standard email, all this information. Sometimes your customer is also your vendor. Okay, like so yesterday, vendor is also our customer. Here, sometimes your customer is also your vendor. So that times, so you need to provide the vendor details and complete the customer tax information, all the information if you have, then just provide that inputs. Now just go to payment transactions. So just to give the customer payment details, okay, country, bank account number, account holder, IBAN number, SWIFT code, all this information. See, these are marketing, unloading points, export data, contact persons. This should be filled by another team, not by FI. Okay. And here one more thing is sales area information also there. Sales data, company code data. So company code data will be filled by your FI end users or the FI FI what we call master data management team. So they will do all this information. Okay, sales information will not become because I am not taking any sales organization. If I take sales organization, definitely it will come. So if I am not taking any sales organization details, it will not be hit over here. So just to take reconciliation account is a domestic customer recon account. So just take it. Okay, and the sort key just take customer number. If you are not able to find the customer number, control F customer. The customer number will come automatically. And cash management group, you can take it E6 major customer. Okay, and all this information if you have just fill out and go to payment transactions. So going forward we will come to know what all these payment terms and I will tell you. Select this. Okay, now so if you want to, if you have house bank details and if you want to block the payment through vendor master, so here also there. And if you have payment method, alternative pay details, okay, instead of this customer you have another customer number is there, then also need to provide. Okay, just to save it, number will come automatically once you save it because we have selected internal number range, not external. This is stored. Okay, like that you can create the number ranges. So if you take sales data, so it will become okay. So like so if you take any sales organization, distribution channel, okay, those details if you have, so you can so it will come automatically. So just to take any one sales organization, distribution channel if you have really, then you can take and create. Okay, so this time I'm taking person name Mr. Chanu SK. So Chanu SK. Read post box. This. So all these details you just provide. Okay, payment transaction, marketing, control data. See, sales area data will become once you give the sales details, sales and distribution channel, those details. Okay, so give the reconciliation code and international or vendor. Sorry, it's not an international, it's domestic only. So domestic. Okay, sort key, take backspace, cash management group takes backspace and post it. So if you want to give the sales data also we can give it. Okay, sales data will be appeared once you give the sales distribution channel and all. Okay, like purchasing data will appear once you give the purchasing organization details in vendor master. Okay, see, these are all configurations we have performed. Now the next step is unit testing. See, these up to this entire things we have done from our side. Same customer like account vendor, how you have created vendor like that. So we can also create customer, right? So for customer, these are all configurations up to customer creation. These are all configuration we need to done from the backend side. And now the unit testing. So this is unit testing part. So whatever the testing activity, whatever the configurations you have done, the same should be working fine or not. So how we can do that? So for doing unit testing, so just perform unit testing. So just post a customer invoice. What is the customer invoice entry? Customer account debtor to sales account, right? So I didn't create any sales account. So I'm going to FS00. Let's check. So a sales account has been created or not. So it's created already. So how to create sales tax sales account, right? So just to create this serial number, we need to check in OBD4. Which serial number it should become? OBD4. Okay. So if we have OBD4, so go to position. So give your chart of account. Check where is sales. This is sales. So your serial number should come from this place. See, I already created some of these sales related. So do one thing. So you just to take down the sales account. See, profit and loss account should be comes under the profit and loss account. You just take the sales account, short text sales, and control data. You need to select only balance in local currency. So tax category for me is right now not required. So I'm removing it right now. Okay. So for editing this option, you need to click. And then after that, just to give a line item display, posting key. Okay, create bank interest. So this option is also not required for me. Post automatically only for manual processing, not sorry, only automatic processing, not for manual. So that is the reason I've just deselect this option. Click this and enter. You posted one vendor customer invoice. Now the next step will be doing posting, right? So what is the transaction code for unit testing? So FB70. Okay. FB70. So /n FB70 for customer posting. So take your customer, first check his company code is yours or not. Click on this, select your company code. Okay. And fine. Now just give the customer number. So now give the customer company code. Okay. So all these customers will come under this company code. Click on it. Okay. So many customers has been created. I'm taking this one, TCS. So invoice date means your transaction date. So yesterday the transaction was happened. So I'm taking yesterday date. Posting date means when you are going to post. Click enter. So reference is this is customer. So 01. Okay. Enter. And system throwing another. Okay. So this is the other. Company code TA T1, the number range 18 is missing. So this is one error you guys know very well. Yesterday also the same error will come. Same error has been had come. Now go to FBN1N. What is the error number? What is the document and the number range system is asking? 18. Okay, so take your company code, give intervals, click this. Okay, 18 2022. And what is the next number? 9000, right? 9001. 9001 to 10,000. Save it. Okay. Now just click enter. So now there is no error. So give the amount 10,000. Okay. Next is the customer invoice. Okay. So come down. So click F4. F4 means system will give automatically this screen. So sales account you need to take. Sales account. Where is sales? Sales tax. Sales account. Okay. So put star. System will copy this amount. Okay. So put star. And here the value date. There is no need to give value date for this real account. So only bank related deals you need to give. Vendor invoice. Now just to simulate the document. So sales account data, customer account debit, 01 is the posting key for debit. In case of vendor, 31 is the posting key. In customer, what is the posting key? 01. Sales account 50. Customer account debit and sales account credit. This is the entry you wanted to test out. So that is the reason here we are posting this transaction. Now save it. So this number has been generated. Okay, right now I created number range, so 9 series. So this one has been generated. So like that you can also post a reference also. So just go to and post with reference. So take this same document number and company code, click enter. Okay, and give the reference number C02. And already there is no need to give any inputs over here because system is copying from the document number. All these things will come automatically. If you want to change this, you can also change. And just go back 5,000 and click enter. And here, so we need to equal the debit and credits. So 50,000. Save it. The document has been posted. Okay. So like that, you can post number of documents with reference. Okay. So I just you can also check any data, you can give it if you want. If you want to give any data additionally, then you can give it. Save it. So like that, you can post several kind of transactions by using reference option. And here for reports, customer open item, what is the T code? FBL5N. So just go to FBL5N. Okay, and give the customer account. So if you don't give the customer account, what happens? System will throw entire customer. Okay, just now I posted only one customer. If other customer has the same balance, it's not appearing properly, then go to this selection option and clearing date. Okay, so all the customer details will come automatically. Okay, so this is the customer Tata Steel Private Limited, and one more customer is there. So these are all customers, TCS. Okay, so right now I posted 3 transactions. This should be appeared. This is not cleared, so this is the open item. Okay, so this is due means we need to clear. Customer need to pay the invoice. Okay, so we are supplied. We are sending the product to the customer. We are sell the product to the customer. The customer need to pay money, right? So the clearing is not happened. It is just like only invoice. Okay. So clearing will be done after the next classes. So for the time being, just understand how to post the invoices and all. Okay. So this is the report that we can directly extract through FBL5N, and also you can use FD10N also for checking the customer balances. Okay, so give the customer number and execute. Okay, so fiscal year was incorrect. Maybe what is the reason? No data read for fiscal year. Any problem? I think I have taken wrong customer. Need to check correct customer. So under this, so I'm taking Vijayawada. Execute this. Take the correct customer account. Okay. So I posted in 6th period. Okay, 6th period. So debit balance is appearing and credit balance is not there because I didn't. Customer has not been cleared. Once customer done the payment, then it should be equal, right? So only debit balance is showing. Once it is payment, once payment has been done, then the credit balance should be appeared. Okay. So now just go back and so like that you can do it. Okay, from your side. So again go to this and double click on this. Okay, so you will see all this information. Okay, and now you want to check the journal entry for this transaction. Select this, so click this. Okay, and think someone has joined in the screen. FBL5N. Sorry, FD10N. Okay, so this is just like extraction, not that complex thing. You can do it. Oh, I think wrong T code I have taken. See, this is wrong inputs I have given. Okay, so do one thing FBL5N. FBL5N. And take the correct customer account. It should be comes under the TA01. This is not mine. So this is not mine actually. What is the T code? What is the company code? Is this mine or not? Where we?
TA01 is
T0.
TA01 is your company code, yes.
This is the correct one.
Sir.
But where we created one customer, right? Where is our customer? These are not my customers, okay?
TA1, I think.
TA01.
T1, not 01.
T1. This one?
TA1, sir.
Okay, V03, I will check. Okay. TA01. What is the T? What is the customer we created?
OBCY6, DY6 we can check. Sir.
No, not like that. See, just now we posted one transaction B70. So to execute posted reference. So it's a TA1. Okay. Our company code is TA1. Okay. FBL5N. Yeah, this is correct T code. Okay, now it's showing correct one. See, now you want to see the journal entry. Click this. Okay, all this information you can see. Who posted? The document type DR. Customer invoice document type is DR. Document date, posting date, invoice, reference key, who has entered, what is the transaction code he has used. All this breakup that we can see. Okay. And this should be helpful for reconciliation perspective in real time. So column document. So you can see what kind of transaction you posted. These information also we can see. Okay. So in F.01, we can see the financial statement. Okay. F.01. So give the chart of account. PAT1. I think give the financial statement version. You can take Canada. Execute. I think wrong inputs are given. But 01. Company code TA T1, right? Okay, so this is a balance sheet, right? This is balance sheet. Your vendor balance is tracked to reconciliation. Only reconciliation here. So did you see? This is reconciliation here. Your vendor balances will be tracked to reconciliation here. So just Control Y and copy this. Go to FBL3N. Paste and execute. Okay, so amount is 11,000. Amount is 11,000. Customer account. Okay, like that you can see. Or else, so just go to FD10N. Okay, so give your reconciliation account. Check. I didn't give proper reconciliation account. Okay, like that you can see all this information one by one. Everything will be appeared. Okay, so these master data tables. Like if you want to see the customer table, so go to SC16 here. In order to look out customer tables, you just go to SC16 here. Give KN here. So what are the customer master data contain? General data, company code data, sales organization data. If you want to see customer general data, then give KNE1. And if you know the customer number, then you can give it. Okay. So just execute. So remove 500. If you give a 500, system will give only 500. Remove this. Entire customer details will come. Almost 8,000 customers are there. So how we can segregate which customer is ours based on the filter. Customer, if you know the customer number, we can also filter it. Okay. And also we can see through name. Okay. So now just filter it, set filter. So TCS is my customer. Okay, just look out. So this is the customer I created. Okay, TCS Video. So all your customer data, general information will be there. General means, so these are all general information. See, these are all general information: client, customer, country, name, to city, postal code, all these general information. Okay, and if you want to see company code data, so then KNB1 is the correct solution. Click enter, give your company code. Under this company code, how many customers you created, all this list will be appeared. What will happen? I didn't take properly. Okay, now just execute. And just execute. No values found.
We entered in customer company code.
I need to give this place. Okay, this is company code. Click this. So you almost created 16 customers, right? 16 customers have been created. Got it? This is the way to create or view the reports. Like if you want to see LFB1 report, LFB1 means how many vendors you created. B1 is vendor. Okay, so your this details and just find out. So these are all vendors you have been created. Okay, if you want to see open item list, BSIK vendor open items. So just give company code. Now just execute it. So all the open item list. See, these are all open items, unclear items. See, check this document number. Okay, 4001. Go to FB03. Okay, give the details. Just click enter. So this is the document you posted. Okay, so like that. So you can see based on the document number, we can see the journal entry. Okay, so these are all transactions are posted with this vendor. Okay, so many vendors, 14 vendors are there. Right now, we yesterday we posted some of the entries. That's it. That is also we can see. Okay, and if you give the BS ID, so vendor customer open items also we can see. Okay, so give your company and check. So right now we posted these transactions, right? So on today's date. So today's date. Okay, customer. This is the customer. So these are all open items, not cleared. Cleared. That is the reason no clearing data is there. No clearing data is there. Okay. So like that, you can just extract all these reports. And if you want to download, you can also download this report also. So for downloading, so just go to extract spreadsheet. Okay, and click enter. Save in the desktop. Save. Okay, so click allow. Allow. All customer related things will come over. Got it? So this is Excel sheet. Okay guys, this is the way you can do it. Yesterday, how you performed all this configuration testing, reporting and all, right? The same way you can do it from your side. Okay, follow this material and video. You can do it. Customer configure customer invoice. Here are configurations. And someone asking doubts. So tell me what is the doubt?
Sir, I have shared 3 screenshots on the chat. So if you can open that then.
Okay. Okay.
So
Yes.
here, so what is the purchasing organization?
Yes, sorry, purchasing organization. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, yeah. See, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
See, we have three types of data in vendor master. Okay. So XK01. If you click XK01, so we have three kinds of data: general data, company code data, and purchasing organization data. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So vendor data, purchasing data. If you want to block purchase organization level, you can also do it. Okay. So this purchase organization data will be provided by your material management team. Okay.
So, sir, what is a purchase organization?
Purchase organization means all the procurement activities will be carried out through only purchase organization.
Okay.
All the
Okay.
purchase organization will be carried out through procurement. All the procurement activities will be carried out through only purchase organization. All the sales activities will be carried out through sales organization.
Got it. Got it, sir.
Next screen.
Yes, sir.
So I think I didn't see this screen ever.
So in the right side, sir, in the right side, this is a chart of account
Okay.
page, sir. So I see in the control integration under the there are two options are there: the manual creation and the automatic creation. So what is this?
See, chart of account. See, this chart of account should be assigned to company code, and again, company code is linked with controlling area. Okay, controlling area means in CO level, like company code, how we are creating in FI, like the CO level, controlling area we need to create. Okay, so if you go to organization structure, first thing is client, after that operating concern, after that controlling area, after that company code, after that business area, like that. This is the organization structure. So here integration means SAP FI data should flow through flow to CO. Okay, all the FI data, all the FI related aspects should be flow through CO because of cost elements only. Okay, so
Okay.
there are two types of cost elements: primary cost and secondary cost. So once I come to controlling module, I will clearly explain what is cost elements and all. So for the time being, just understand that here there are two types of creation of cost elements. One is manual and automatic. So manual means we need to create manually in the system. Okay, automatic means so we are uploading all the cost centers through cost elements through LSMW or some automatic activities. Automation is not done through manual way. So that case we can select this automatic creation of cost elements.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And what is the third question?
So here, if we post an entry through the FDES 43 or FDES 02, then we have to manually enter the vendor posting keys.
Okay.
But here we are not.
These are easy transaction, easy enjoyable transactions. Okay. See, enjoyable transaction means enjoyable transaction. Here you can take 999 line items. Okay,
Yes.
so all debits and also take credits up to 999 line items. Okay, and there is no need to give the posting keys to the system. System will automatically pick. Okay, so
Okay.
posting key will pick automatically, but in that screen, everything you need to provide manually. Like even you can give the posting keys and then after that GL accounts. But here there is no need to give any posting key. These are all called as enjoyable. FB50, FB60, FB70. So these are all called as enjoyable transactions. Enjoyable. Okay. We
Okay,
are
sir.
enjoying because of this transaction only. Okay.
Right, sir. Sir, today you were saying something about the sort key. So
Yes.
yes.
See, I will explain tomorrow. Okay. Sort
Okay.
key.
Okay, sir.
Okay, for the time being, so I explained the three doubts, right? So
Thank you.
tomorrow we will conclude whatever the doubts you have. Just come up with your doubts. Okay, see guys, if you are asking the doubts, then so it's like challenging for us also. Okay, just to ask the doubts, and I think almost 98% doubts I will clear from the sessions only. If I am not aware, then next day I will explain. Don't worry. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Great time, sir.
Hello, sir.